For this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to calculate the interest payments for a loan, but more specifically, I'm going to show you how to calculate what part of that payment is principal and what part is just pure interest. Now, in another tutorial, I explained how to get the actual monthly payments, and so I'm not going to explain that now, just the principal and the interest. So let me change the term of the loan to 30 years at 6.5%. Now what I have here is the amount of the loan, the yearly interest rate, the term of the loan in years, and then over here I have the monthly interest rate calculated from the yearly, and what your monthly payment is going to be. I'm assuming it's a fixed rate loan, so the next thing I want to figure out is what your principal payment will be and what your interest payment will be. Now these are very simply the PPMT and IPMT functions. So what I'm going to do is right here recalculate month 1. So the interest payment, we already know what that is, so let's go ahead and get the principal. All we're going to do is equal PPMT, open parentheses, and the next we're going to want the rate, and the rate is going to be the monthly rate. The period is going to be the month that we are currently in, so I'm going to click right here. The number of periods is going to be the term of the loan times 12 for 12 months, and the present value is going to be the amount of the loan. Close the parentheses, hit enter, and you notice it's $234.30, exactly what it is here. One thing to note, it is negative because you're paying it out. So to make that a positive value, just so it is easier to read, I guess, all you do is double click, and before the principal payment function, put a negative sign or a minus sign. Hit enter, and then it looks normal. Now to calculate the interest payment, it's almost exactly the same. Equals IPMT, open parentheses, so interest payment. Your rate is going to be the monthly rate. The period is going to be the period you're in over here. And I'm clicking this one because over here I have all the months listed. So that's how I did it down here. Now the number of periods is going to be the term of the loan times 12 months, so 30 years, 12 months per year, and the present value will be the amount of the loan. Close parentheses, hit enter, go ahead and put the minus sign in front of the function, and you get it. So the interest payment is going to be a little over $1,300 for your first payment, and you're only taking $234 out of your principal, or out of what you the total loan. So it's really interesting to actually see how much of what you're paying goes towards paying off the ending balance, to paying off the actual loan. Another neat thing you can do, I'm going to go ahead and delete this, is to figure out exactly how much interest you're going to be paying. And to do that, let's go ahead and total interest tab equals sum, and I'm going to go ahead and highlight my interest column. Now you see I have a line for every month here, all the way down to the very end of the loan. See, at the end you only pay $8 on the interest. So let's see how much you pay total. For the one loan you pay $307,899.05 in total interest. Anyway, that's how loans work, and that's how you can calculate how much you pay for principal and interest. And if you want to grab this spreadsheet so you can follow along, or just use it for yourself, because there's not really any point in making it when you can just get it very quickly, go ahead and go to the website TeachExcel.com, and you can grab this spreadsheet and many other tutorials and lots of other stuff. So that's it.